Want to swap faces in your photos and videos with realistic, seamless results in just a few clicks? Today, I'm showing you how to use AKOOL, an incredibly powerful AI tool that makes face swapping look absolutely natural. Whether you're a creator, marketer, or just want to have some fun, this tool is a game changer. So, what exactly is AKOOL? It's an all-in-one generative AI platform designed for personalized visual content. While they offer amazing tools like AI avatars, video translation, and background changers, their face swap feature is what really stands out. It's built to automatically align and blend faces into any image or video, giving you professional-grade results in seconds without needing complex editing software. Using it is incredibly simple. First, head over to AKOOL.com. You can sign up for free to test it out. Once you're in the dashboard, select the Face Swap tool. From here, you have two options: photo or video. Just upload your base media, the image or clip you want to change. Next, upload the target face you want to swap in. AKOOL's cutting-edge AI models will automatically analyze the facial structures, expressions, and lighting. Click Generate, and in just a few seconds, you'll get a high-quality, seamlessly blended result that looks completely real. What makes AKOOL different from basic face swap apps is its precision. It handles smooth blending and precise alignment, meaning you won't get those weird, glitchy edges. It's so reliable that major global brands like Qatar Airways and Coca-Cola have used AKOOL's technology for their massive interactive campaigns. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's fast, highly realistic, and incredibly easy to use right from your browser. On the downside, while AKOOL boasts an impressive 4.8 out of 5 on G2, our hands-on user review data is currently limited. This means you'll want to take advantage of their free trial to see how well it handles your specific lighting and video angles before upgrading to their paid or unlimited plans. Overall, AKOOL is a top-tier platform if you need high-quality, professional face swaps for your projects. Head over to AKOOL.com to try it out for free today. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you're planning to create with AKOOL. See you in the next video.